Good morning, first grade. Today for math lesson 43. For our facts, you will need out your class fact practice 43A. And please go ahead and make sure that your name is on your paper. Today for our math facts, we are practicing our sums of 11 again. And we are also going to be having review facts. Facts that we've already learned but need to obviously keep reviewing. So what I'm doing for you right now is I'm just starring your new facts. And the reason for that is I want you to really make sure that you're spending time practicing those facts. Okay, so we're going to do just a few together. We'll do this first starred one together at the top. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Remember that if you need to write down a number line, you are welcome to write that number line down. If it is best for you to grab out your red folder and use your red folder, you go ahead and use your red folder. The other problem I'd like to do with you is 9 plus 4. So I underline the ones that we did together. 9 plus 4. Remember that in our adding nines, we take the other number, this number here, and we say, okay, what's 1 less than 4? 3. And then I put a 1 in front of it, and my answer is 13. So double check me on that. Start at 9 and count 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did you get? 13. And then at the bottom, let's just do one of these together this morning. So I want you to challenge yourself. Let's do 8 plus something is 11. Two ways you can do this, remember. You can start at 8 and keep counting until you get to 11, or start at your sum and go backwards 8 spots. Because 8 and 11 are really actually pretty close together, I'm going to start at 8 and I'm going to keep counting until I get to 11. And today, to show you that, I'm going to just make little dots next to this box to show me what my number will be. So what comes after 8? 9, 10, 11. I have to stop because I got to my sum. I got to 11. So how many more did I need to count on? I needed to count 3. Okay? If you have numbers like 11 and 4 that are really far apart from each other, or 11 and 3, it's usually easier to start at your bigger number and go backwards. But when I have 8 and 11 being really close, 7 and 11, 9 and 11, I would start at that number and keep counting on until you get to 11. Okay, so you are going to work hard on this for 2 minutes. When our 2 minutes is up, we're going to put our pencil down regardless of how many we have done. Pencil down and favorite crayon or colored pencil up. Your time begins now. Is up. Let's go ahead and check those answers. Make sure that your pencil is down and you have your favorite crayon or colored pencil up. We're going to go straight down today. Here we go. 7 plus 3 is 11. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 9 is 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. Should have a dot by that one for sure that it's correct. 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 plus 9 is 12. 9 plus 2 is 11. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 7 is 11. Hear that rhyme? 4 plus 7 is 11. 7, 11, 7, 11. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus 6 is 15. 6 plus 5, look at doubles plus 1. They're right next to each other, just like we'd be counting. 5 and 6 are next to each other. Double your 5, that makes 10. Add one more, makes 11. 5 plus 9 is 14. 3 plus 8 is 11. 9 plus 8 is 17. 5 plus 6 is 11. 7 plus 9 is 16. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 4 plus 6 is 10. Now we just have these couple at the bottom to find our answers for. Here we go. 2 plus what is 11? Start at 11 because 11 and 2 are really far away from each other, and go back 2 spots. 11, 10, 9. You could do it up here at the top if you needed to see it as well. Start at 11 and count back 2 spots. 1, 2. You landed on 9. We already did 8 plus what is 11? That's 3. 4 plus what is 11? Start at 11 and count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you landed on 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, same thing for the bottom. You can use that line. You can use your red folder. What plus 7 is 11? Start at 7 and count until you get to 11 because they're pretty close. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. What plus 9 is 11? Start at 9, count till you get to 11. 9, 10, 11. That's 2. And what plus 3 is 11? Start at 11 and count back 3. 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. The back side of this sheet, first grade, is for you to complete. When you are done, please make sure this is in your Wednesday folder.